Today's module, we are going to learn about multi-directional flows. In this module, we will learn what is transplanetary process. Globalization is a transplanetary process characterized by increased liquidity and growing multi-directional flows. Transnationality. Transnationality is referred to the rise of new communities, creation of new social identities, and formation of global relations, which cannot be attributed as nation states. In the last several decades, solid has tended to melt and become increasingly liquid. Solids have transformed into liquids, and these liquids are getting converted into gaseous state, which means that mobility of solids is easier than ever before in the history. Liquid phenomena do not hold the shape for a long term, therefore, the metaphor is used to refer the drastic changes of the contemporary globalized world. Liquidity is referred to the ease of movement of people, goods, information, and places in the modern global world. Gaseousness. Gaseousness is referred to the hyper mobility of people, goods, transportation, information, and places in the modern global world. Interconnected flows that I earlier mentioned, that how this process of globalization have an increased interconnectedness of its tools regarding multinational corporations, regarding marketing, regarding international financial institutions, that interconnected flows are getting more faster. So global flows that have tendency to interconnect at various points and times, for example, that the drug industry. So these multi-directional flows, you know, they have every possible direction. You can't imagine the level of their fluidity or their flow, that in which side they are going on. Sometimes, as I mentioned in my previous module, कि बाज़ औक़ात आपको ये बहुत फ़ायदेमंद मालूम होता है। देखिए, आप आज यूके अगर पहुँचना है लाहौर से लंदन, तो आपको 6 आवर्स लगते हैं, जो कभी आप सोच नहीं सकते थे इन द अर्लियर हाफ ऑफ द 20th century or in the 19th century. But today, it is very easy. So, such flow of information and flow of everything that is regarding movement of individuals, places, goods, that is very much there to understand that that directional flow, multi-directional flow, is going everywhere. Although it is benefiting not only the individual, not only the agents, structures, but to everyone. But at the same time, when we see that there are different dysfunctional systems which also showing threat to human society, that how these multi-directional flows are creating diseases, that मैंने अभी जो पीछे आपको बताया कि किस तरह से कोविड-19 जो है वो एक इस ग्लोबलाइज्ड प्रोसेस की वजह से पूरी दुनिया में इतनी तेज़ी के साथ दिसंबर 2019 में शुरू होने वाला आज तक अपनी सेकंड वेव में चूँकि शामिल हो चुका है, और किस तरह से उसने पूरी दुनिया को बिल्कुल एक हेल्पलेस करके रख दिया है। वो तमाम साइंटिफिक एडवांसमेंट्स, वो टेक्नोलॉजिकल सोफिस्टिकेशंस, या वो मल्टी डायरेक्शनल फ्लोज, वो सॉलिड लिक्विडिटी, एवरीथिंग वी फाइंड हेल्पलेस। किसी सबको हमने बेसलेस पाया है, बिल्कुल बेकार पाया है। जितनी हमारी डेवलपमेंट थी वो सारी की सारी स्टॉप होकर रह गई। तमाम दुनिया का जितना मटेरियल डेवलपमेंट था, दैट वाज स्टॉप्ड, ओनली नेचर वाज वर्किंग। So one can imagine that how this world is subservient to the omnipotent. That was one of the expression from the omnipotent, in fact, that whatever you are going to do, whatever the development you are going to make, it is still subservient to me. That is what Allah believes. So multiple flows in every possible directions are going on. For example, besides Americanization, there are different flows from China and Japan. China, you know that in this century, it is really an emerging economic giant.